this Sunday, May 26th at 6 o'clock in the evening, and we have a good storm. It doesn't appear severe, so. However, there was a tornado siren that we had earlier in Genoa City, but now that's since they shut it off now. But there's still a tornado warning in Jefferson County, which is to our north. So, last I knew anyway, unless it's been allowed to expire. I really wish one of these storms would produce hail. That would be fun. Don't blow at me. Wind is still southeast. Oop, tornado warning in northern Wallace County, just north of here. Hail size. I can't tell what that hail size is, but looks like we'll get hail. 0.75 inches in diameter. Tornado siren. Come on, focus. Won't clear out. Well, it's not exactly clear, but you can still see it. Doesn't appear there's a warning because I'm looking at the radar and it does not show a tornado warning over us. No, I just checked radar. Does not have us under a tornado warning, so I'm not that worried. Where's the hail? That's what I wonder. Yeah, I can't record that way. There's wind. Where's the hail? I looked at the radar. We're not under a tornado warning. I just looked, so if we were under, if my area here was under tornado warning, I would be inside the house by now. So, but I just looked and there's no tornado warning over my location, so it's just north of here is what I saw. I'm just waiting for the hail. That's what I'm waiting for. So far, no hail. Where's the hail? Seems like it's really bright. It doesn't seem like it's as dark as it should be. Usually storms are darker. Like usually the sky is like a lot darker. This doesn't want to clear out. Trying to get the radar trying to get the focus and it won't focus. Now we're under tornado warning. That's what it says anyway. Trying not to get this thing wet. Stupid wind. Alright, stop blowing, please. Oh, we gotta fix that joint. Look at that. We gotta fix it. Where's the hail? Well, I think I'm going to stop the video in a sec here and then quickly pull my car in since there's a tornado warning. In case if there is, I don't want it out in the tornado, so technically I should be in the basement right now, so but I'm going to stop it here in a sec and then quickly pull my car in, so oh, that wind is cold. Hey, hey. And it's bright, and now it's getting darker over there. Alright, thanks for watching.